Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is the 9th day of March 2020 and the market is crashing. The S&P 500 is halted trading for today for 15 minutes because it was down by 7%. The Dow was down by more than 2,000 points today, having its worst trading day since December of 2008. And then Bitcoin as well continued to show us a lot of weakness too. So what's going on in the market? Well, you came to the right location. Before I do give you all this update on Bitcoin, let me show you that we are doing live streaming on the weekends on our website, and we want you all to participate with us when we go live on our website on the weekends. Now, in order for you to do that and to comment on our videos while we live stream, you have to come to our website, create a member ID, and once you do that, whenever we go live, I'm gonna send out a blast to everyone on the social media platforms. You click on this live tab button right there, and once you click on that, you'll see our live video, and you can be able to leave us a comment if you want us to look at some cryptocurrencies, some stocks, or just got some general questions. That should be your opportunity to ask us. So we definitely want you all to participate and join us when we go live throughout the weekend. So here we are, time for that update in Bitcoin. It's been about 3 days. We did our video on the 5th day of March with the expectation of Bitcoin moving higher, and take a look at what happened in the market from our last video in Bitcoin. It completely crashed. Well, at least what some people would say. But for us, go back and check out our video. We had TP at $9,200, and the market came and fell short of that on the 6th. But look at that, the 7th day of March, the market came and eclipsed it, made a high of $9,219.13. So hopefully you was able to grab that TP out the market prior to the market movement lower. So meager 1.21%, but hey, it's profit on top of what's going on into the market right now. All right, so let's get rid of that and let's update you all on what's going on in the cryptocurrency space for Bitcoin. You guys can tell that $9,200 did its job in terms of holding resistance. So we could get rid of that now because the market's not trading around it. So why have all of those useless lines on your chart? Clean it up. Negative right here is being seen in the market in Bitcoin. That $8,000 level that we had as support is broken. We're closing towards the low of the bar today, and now going forward, 8,000, even 7,750 is going to be resistance in the market in Bitcoin. So I'm just going to move that line down a little bit lower since we are trading below 7,750. That's going to be our new resistance area, even though I would leave a cushion of about $8,000 for resistance as well. Okay, so that is there. What is the likelihood of the market in Bitcoin coming to $7,500? Great. If you guys are a member of ours on our website, you guys saw our video, we are expecting Bitcoin to come to around $7,500. Yeah. If not that, 7,000, maybe 7,250. All in all, this cryptocurrency massively weak. And I could tell you by looking at Bitcoin on a weekly time frame that what occurred last week, that 8,000 was broken to the downside. Expectation is still for the movement to occur in Bitcoin. Looking on the weekly time frame, $7,000 is not out the question for Bitcoin to find some support. So you already know what our forecast is going to be in Bitcoin. All right. We're going to hold $8,000 for resistance in the market in Bitcoin. I read one article to where some of the miners said that Bitcoin cannot close below like $8,200 because if it did, then they'll be losing money. Well, guess what? Market doesn't care about that. Okay, so $7,500 is where we're going to TP the market in Bitcoin, which will give us about, let me see, about 2.25%. All right, so we'll TP the market there in Bitcoin. but I'm going to extend it down a little bit further. $7,400 look like to be a support area too. So scratch that 7,500. We'll TP it at 74 in Bitcoin. So this is it. Bitcoin is weak. Weekly time frame is showing us that. The daily time frame is showing us that as well. It might be a very quick touch to hit that $7,400 level, but all in all, weakness is weakness. All right, so I'm done. Questions, comments, let us know.